Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we fitted an Autowatch Ghost-II to a brand new Range Rover Sport Hybrid 2019. How this product works is really straightforward. Ignition on. Insert your secret code. On this one we've used this button here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Indicators will flash. Put your foot on the brake. Start the vehicle. Vehicle says ready, vehicle's running. Really simple to use. When you turn off the ignition, automatically immobilises after about 3 seconds. So if a thief was to grab your signal for your keys, unlock the vehicle and try and start it, he would obviously, this is the scenario he would get. Ignition on, try to start it, it'll power up, won't start, and then the system will cut out. So very, very straightforward again. Ignition on, insert your code, double flash, start your vehicle. Car saying ready, vehicle running. Also, when the car goes for a service, you can place it into valet mode, and the way you do that, ignition on, insert your code, 1, 2, 3, 4, double flash. Now you push the cancel button here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Indicators will flash 5 times. To confirm it's in valet mode. This means now I can start the vehicle as many times as I want. I can move it around, don't have to disclose the code. Finally, if you're worried about someone has actually seen your code, you can also change the code. The way you change the code is ignition on, insert the original code, 1, 2, 3, 4, double flash. On this one here, pull the full beam back, push this code in again, 1, 2, 3, 4. The indicators will begin to flash. When they begin to flash, release the full beam and insert your new code. So what we're going to do now is we're going to change it to this one here 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Give us 3 flashes to confirm the code. We now repeat the same code again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double flash. This confirms it's accepted the code. Ignition off. We just test it now. Ignition on. Try the old code. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nothing. Ignition off. Ignition on. Insert the new code. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double flash. Foot on the brake. Start the vehicle. Vehicle saying ready. Now running. I hope you found this video very, very helpful. My name's Otto. Company's called London Car Alarm Company. The number to me is 0208 906 0478. 0208 906 0478. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.